Welcome back. In this video, we shall go through the setting up of the environment we need to run Typescript on our machine. The first step to setting up our environment is to install Nodejs in our machine. And to do that, let's head over to the Node website, which is nodejs.org. And that's it right there. And download this one. As you can see, our file is downloading. After the download, double click on the file to run the installation process, which is quite easy to run. Follow the process to complete the installation. When the installation is complete, open up your command prompt or terminal if you're using Mac and run this command, node-v. And if the version of the node on your machine comes out here, it means you have successfully installed Node on your machine. The second step is to install Typescript on your machine. And still in the command prompt or terminal, if you're using a Mac, you can install Typescript with this command, npm, using the Node package manager, install Typescript. When you run this command, the installation will begin. After running the command, run this command also, tsc-v. This command displays the version of Typescript installed on your machine. And if this command works just fine as it has here, it means Typescript has been successfully installed on your machine. In this course, I shall be using Visual Studio Code, also known as VS Code, as my IDE. So if you don't have one, head over to code.visualstudio.com to download one for free. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share.